Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Reading Magnifier is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who enjoys diving into a good book, deciphering small print on labels, or engaging in detailed hobbies, offering a crystal-clear portal to a world of enhanced visibility and precision, ensuring that no detail is missed and that the reading experience is comfortable and accessible for individuals of all ages and visual acuities, making it an indispensable companion for everyday tasks and leisurely pursuits alike. Number 5. MagniPros 3x LED Page Magnifier. Tired of eye strain? Our magnifier features an anti-glare lens designed to reduce harsh light, making reading more comfortable for longer periods. Enjoy a large and clear viewing area with our optical-grade lens. It magnifies your text up to 3x, so you can read with ease without constant page adjustments. Find the perfect light for any situation. Easily switch between cool white, warm white, and combo lighting modes with just one touch to suit your reading environment. Designed for comfort, this magnifier is incredibly lightweight. Its ergonomic grip fits most hands, allowing for extended reading sessions without arm fatigue. This magnifier is perfect for those with low vision or seniors. It provides clear magnification and evenly distributed, glare-free light to reduce eye strain and enhance your reading experience. Experience the difference with MagniPros. Our patented magnifier is engineered to provide a comfortable and clear reading experience for everyone. What we like? This magnifier offers 3 distinct light modes to suit any reading environment. Its anti-glare lens is designed to significantly reduce eye strain, making it perfect for extended use. If you are looking for a comfortable reading experience with customizable lighting and eye protection, this is the one for you. What people say? Nice light with 3 different light settings, and within each setting you can adjust the brightness. Clarity is awesome. I like that you can hold magnifier in hand or set on desk, etc. to use. It has a nice bag to store in, to protect it from scratches, easy to use and compact enough to take with you. Number 4. MagniPros Jumbo Magnifying Glass. Tired of squinting at small print? Discover a new way to read with our Jumbo Magnifying Glass. It offers a wide, clear view, making text easy to see. Weighing only 5 ounces, this magnifier is designed for comfort during extended reading sessions. Its rectangular shape provides a natural and optimal viewing experience. Enjoy a 3x magnification with our high-quality optical lens. The large size means you won't have to constantly adjust your position to find the perfect viewing spot. Crafted from optical-grade acrylic, this lens is lighter and more shatter-resistant than glass. It's built to withstand accidental drops, ensuring long-lasting clarity. Featuring protective housing on both sides, it's designed to resist shocks and scratches. You can even lay it flat on a table without worrying about damage. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not happy with your purchase, we'll make it right for you. What we like? The rectangular shape of this magnifier provides a more natural reading experience, allowing you to read a full line without constant repositioning. Its shockproof and scratch-resistant design ensures durability against accidental drops. If you need a robust and user-friendly magnifier for everyday reading of small prints and maps, this is an excellent choice. What people say? It really comes in handy, especially for reading prescriptions. This magnifying glass is a great compromise for depth of field and width of vision. I use it to set my thermostat, read small print on computer and iPad, access documentation on various products. It is relatively compact and highly useful for persons with visual acuity issues. To be more specific, it is now so wide that I can read left to right across a page of print without having to move the magnifying glass from left to right as I read. Number 3. Easy Magnifier 3x LED Pocket Magnifying Glass. Experience the clarity of 3x magnification, equivalent to 8 diopters. This magnifier is perfect for those who need a little extra help with mild vision impairment. Struggling with fine print on labels? This lighted magnifier makes reading food, medicine, and vitamin labels effortless. It's compact enough for your pocket or purse, yet large enough for comfortable reading. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This magnifier is ideal for friends and family with low vision. Give them the gift of reading independence and dignity. Designed for convenience, it fits easily into any purse or pocket. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold and use anywhere, from the kitchen to the car. The innovative slide-in-out mechanism protects the lens from scratches, ensuring it stays in pristine condition when stored in your bag or pocket. Navigate dimly lit spaces with ease thanks to the built-in LED light. It automatically illuminates when you extend the lens, and batteries are included. Crafted with a quality ABS plastic housing and an acrylic lens, this magnifier is built to last. It's a handsome and reliable helper for all your daily reading needs. What we like? This is a compact, pocket-sized magnifier that's incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. The LED light activates automatically when you pull out the lens, making it perfect for dimly lit areas. If you need a portable solution for reading labels in stores or small print anywhere, this handy magnifier is ideal. What people say. The magnifying glass has a built-in LED light that illuminates the text, making it easier to read in low light conditions. It comes with a durable carrying pouch, which is convenient for storage and travel. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Number 2. Folding handheld magnifying glass with light. Enjoy reading just like you naturally view things. This large rectangular lens covers a wide area, so you don't have to constantly move your hands. It magnifies text up to 3 times, making small prints easy to see. It's comfortable to hold for extended reading sessions. The handle folds for easy carrying and storage, making it perfect to take anywhere. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves to read. With 5 dimmable LED lights, you can adjust the brightness to suit your needs. Choose between strong or soft light to read comfortably in any environment, even in dark rooms. The optical-grade lens is shatterproof and scratch-resistant, providing a clear, distortion-free image. It's lighter than glass and perfect for reading tiny print on labels, newspapers, or documents. The integrated power switch is conveniently located on the handle for comfortable use. This thoughtfully designed magnifier makes reading accessible and enjoyable for everyone. This magnifier is especially helpful for seniors with aging eyes or macular degeneration. It reduces eye strain and makes reading small print effortless. What we like? Featuring dimmable LED lights with 2 brightness options, this magnifier adapts to your specific lighting needs. The large, rectangular lens offers a natural viewing experience, and the folding handle makes it easy to carry. If you often read in various lighting conditions or need a portable yet comprehensive reading aid, this model is a great fit. What people say. The magnification is what I need and the lighting, 3 different choices, is very helpful. It's a nice size, lightweight to hold and easily folds into a compact shape and slides into its fabric travel bag. The magnifier is high quality and crystal clear. The magnifier collapses from the handle. The handle performs perfectly and is always secure. The battery life is very good. There are 2 adjustments for lighting, 1 click, then another increases the light. The LED lights have 2 brightnesses to illuminate what you are trying to read. The optics, which are practically distortion-free, just a bit of pincushion distortion edge to edge. Number 1. Magnifying glass with light. Struggling with small print? This large magnifying glass offers a 3x magnification with a wide, distortion-free view. It's designed to make reading books, newspapers, and maps comfortable for hours, even for those with low vision. Featuring 3 bright LED lights and a UV light, this magnifier is perfect for reading in the dark or verifying important documents and currency. The soft, glare-free illumination ensures you see every detail clearly. Its ergonomic handle is lightweight and designed for a natural, comfortable grip. This makes it easy to hold for extended periods, even for those with arthritis or reduced grip strength. Constructed with high-quality, scratch-resistant, and shatterproof materials, this tool is incredibly durable. Use it for detailed inspection of coins, stamps, electronics, or for intricate crafts and needlework. This magnifier makes a thoughtful gift for seniors with low vision or anyone who enjoys detailed inspection. It comes with a protective storage bag and cleaning cloth, offering professional clarity and versatility in one portable device. What we like? This magnifier boasts an impressive combination of 3 LED lights for general illumination and a specialized UV light for specific identification tasks. Its extra-large lens provides a broad, distortion-free view, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort. If you need a versatile tool for reading, inspection, or hobby work, especially in low light, this magnifier offers multifunctional utility. What people say. Clear large glass with a sturdy handle and bright light. Large viewing lens, crisp image, and comfortable handle. The 3 LED lights are very bright and helpful. The 3 LED lights plus the UV light make it easy to see small details clearly, and the large lens is comfortable to use. It comes with a storage bag and cleaning cloth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.